22, but unfortunately from the 7th of November until the 16th of December this year they're going to replace this. So we are on the Taimistontie 4C, was it
4A.
4A, for small letter A, staircase C. We have to get to the staircase B and D as soon as possible.
Yeah.
But that we can try it for a while before we come. Det är precis svårt börses av 325 grams. This is here in Pitäjänmäki, Sukkenbakka in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusi modernized Finland. Semag without doors. It's originally built in 1998. Would have been 25 years old in the next year, 2023, but won't be. The number is for 55683. 6 floors, 2 rides. It should have been inspected in 2023. Like the sounds in here.
Yeah, same here.
This was from the beginning of 1998.
Inspected by Kiva Inspected, maintained by Koni.
But still, unfortunately, they didn't choose Koni to modernize and replace.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you will get to the Texas B and A as soon as possible.
Yeah.
For the 7th of November.
That's it.